Descending Thunder, the new season hero in Season 7, resembles Thor from Marvel. Is he strong enough to replace Griffin? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today's video will discuss Eric and his exclusive Trinket. Skills. Eric's first skill allows him to deal up to 400% of his attack to 5 ships, similar to Griffin. If the target is affected by taking on water, it will receive an additional 10% damage. His second skill enhances his damage dealing capabilities through a chain effect. At the beginning of the battle, he applies a chain effect to 3 ships for 5 seconds. Whenever one of those chained ships receives strategic damage from Eric's ship, all chained ships will also take up to 100% of strategic damage. This additional damage can only occur once per second. The chain effect only triggers at the battle's start, making it a one-time effect. However, if you unlock his final skill, Eric will have up to a 30% chance to apply the chain effect whenever his ship deals strategic damage. It allows him to chain more ships and inflict additional chain damage. To unlock his full potential, Eric must be at least ranked 6. As his rank increases, he will deal significantly more damage due to the higher probability of the chain effect. His third skill deals up to 100% of his attack to a target with over 60% HP when he uses a skill. It also reduces the target's armor by 10% for 3 seconds, further amplifying the damage from the chain effect. However, this skill is most effective at the start of the battle when the target still has over 60% HP. His fourth skill increases the ship's attack and strategic damage by up to 10%. If you're spending money on Sea of Conquest, GemZ has the best deal in the market. As Bundle Up's sister company, GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. However, with GemZ it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Trinket. Eric's exclusive Trinket, the Hammer of Scourge, is an excellent choice for a strategic captain. It increases the ship's strategic damage by up to 36%. Additionally, the Trinket provides a lightning shield to the ship. When the ship takes damage, the shield can retaliate, dealing up to 110% of the attack to 3 random enemy ships while recovering 100 rage points. This effect can be triggered once every 10 seconds. One of the great things about this trinket is that it doesn't have to be equipped on Eric to be effective, it can also be used on Griffin. The 100 rage boost is particularly beneficial for strategic ships because it enables our onboard heroes to cast their skills earlier than opponents. Overall, this trinket comes highly recommended. We can use it on Griffin to take full advantage of the rage boost. Combo. Thanks to the chain effect, Eric is a strong hero with high damage output. Unfortunately, he is a captain competing with Griffin on the strategic ship. In a war game like Sea of Conquest, a new hero is designed to outperform an older one. Otherwise, the developer wouldn't be able to monetize the new hero. So, does this mean the end for Griffin? Not necessarily. We can move one of them to the first mate position without removing either hero. The downside of this approach is that we will sacrifice the 20% bonus attribute boost associated with the first mate position. However, this trade-off may be beneficial since Eric and Griffin already have excellent damage output, even without the bonus. We have observed many high spenders utilizing this strategy to make their strategic ship more powerful. Alright, is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.